Hey Musi, this is Leo. I actually seen you in a group that we are both a part of on Facebook, and I'm from Arona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over a quick video that shows you some tips and tricks that you can actually do yourself in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business profile. I would love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and they're educational for you. As you can see, this is your website right here. I love the colorful logo up here. It's like a badge of honor. And it's a pretty nice, neat, and clean site. I love the bright colors. They just make you feel good when you look at this page. So kudos to you on that. One of my biggest suggestions would be add more content. Google loves content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And throughout that content, they want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in your Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is how you save your photos, because what happens is 24/7 Google's sending out bots to scour these sites, and when they see these pictures, they just see the name behind them. Now you're kind of on par here, but I would just go with residential cleaning or residential cleaning services, Greater Vancouver or Fraser Valley. Wherever you want to be found for, you want to have the service and the service area. Now what I've done is I've actually put your website into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now this is your UR and your DR. This is your strength versus your trust. So this is how Google sees your site, and this is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. As of right now, you have 29 backlinks and 5 referring domains. So implementing these tips I'm going to show you is going to help you boost these numbers as well. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via a clickable button or text, but not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy than others, and there are some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to the industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you've got one keyword that you're indexing for, and it's bringing 69 people to your website every month. And with it being, a decent little number a month, your website's acting like a lead generating tool, and that's actually going to give you higher ROI depending on your close rate. Now you're being indexed for the cleaning services Burnaby. That is a KD of 3, a volume of 300. That is an easy keyword to take over and to own. You're in the first position on all these, so that's a really good job, and that's why you're at the top on the Burnaby location. I also checked you out in the other locations as well, like Vancouver, Surrey, Delta, places like that, and you're not on the first page anywhere. So I wanted to show you the Burnaby location just because you was on the top of the map pack. So you really want to go after these buyer intent keywords that people are searching, because that's how people are finding your services. So if we look up cleaning services Burnaby, boom, you're right here at the top. You are in the top 3, which is really good. So there are additional keywords that you should go after within your realm of your Google business page, and that will help you expand to the around the locations like the Surrey, Delta, Vancouver, places like that. And then what we're going to do is go down here to the organic section. Now this is a national company, so we don't even count them. They've got thousands and thousands of keywords and backlinks. They're all over the world, so they're not even really a factor to us. But Mary Maids and Burnaby, they are your #1 competitors. And this is their website right here. And as you see, they are lacking content on here as well. So implementing having more content on your site, more than they've got on theirs, is going to help you outrank them while adding backlinks and such as well. Now, if we look at the different keywords that you can be indexed for, you've got a couple of these already. They're hot on your heels. You're #1, they're #2. So I would definitely expand your content out, add more of those keywords in there so you take off and you can outdo these people, because on the maps you're beating them, but in organic you're not even on the first page. And 75% of people don't even go to the second page, so that's why it's so important. So there's decent volume here, so once you start ranking on that first page, you'll get 10 to 37% of that volume. and it'll go straight to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And like I said earlier, depending on your close rate, you're going to turn those into a customer. Musi, I hope this video was helpful. Again, I appreciate to hear feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. If you have any question, comments, or concerns, reach out because I could be that resource for you if need be. My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Hope you have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon.